Welcome to video 5 of 6 in Omela's onboarding series. Today we'll show you how to track payments, submissions, and reporting in Omela. There are two ways to access your data. The first is through organization reports, available to organization owners and admins. Click Reports, then Submissions, to view activity across all your spaces and pages. From here, you can filter your data, customize the columns you want to see, and quickly find the information you're looking for. If you prefer working in spreadsheets, open Google Sheets reports. Your data is automatically organized into separate tabs for payments and submissions, items and answers, making reconciliation and bookkeeping much easier. The second option is page-level reporting. Open any page and click Activity to view submissions, payment status, responses, check-ins, and more. You can also export your data as a CSV file at any time. And that's it. Whether you're managing a single event or your entire organization, Omela keeps all your reporting organized and easy to access. In the final video, we'll walk through refunds and payouts. See you there!